everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a coconut ponche de creme recipe. This recipe is not going to disappoint you. It's packed with tons of coconut flavor. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. I'm starting off with a tin or can of evaporated coconut milk. If you cannot find this, you can use regular evaporated milk. I found this at Publix supermarket. To that, I'm going in with a couple pieces of lime rind and 4 large eggs. I'm going to go ahead and break up those eggs and whisk that into the milk. Now at this point you want to put up your stove on a low heat and grate in some nutmeg and some cinnamon goes in. Give that a whisk and continue to cook this on a low heat until it's nice and warmed through. You don't want to boil it and you don't want to curdle the eggs. So I would say mix it for just about 2 minutes, after which you'll see that it's nice and warm, and then you can go ahead and strain this. I like straining it just in case there are any cooked egg or any lumpy parts that you would want to get out of your ponche de creme. Once it's cooled, go ahead and pour it into a pitcher. Now I'm going to go in with some coconut milk. This is fresh coconut milk, and all I did was I warmed it for like 5 minutes to kill off any bacteria that may be in there. In goes some sweetened coconut condensed milk, and if you cannot find this, you can use regular condensed milk. It's still going to taste really amazing. In goes your puncheon or your white rum, whatever you want to use. And for some more coconut flavor, I'm adding in this Malibu coconut rum. You can use any brand of coconut rum you can find. To top it off, I'm adding in some more of that fresh coconut milk. So 4 cups of that in total I used. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of coconut essence, a couple dashes of Angostura cocoa bitters, and I'm going to give that a good mix. Once it's mixed in properly, you can go ahead and serve this on ice or serve it chilled as is. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please make it, comment down below and let me know what you think. You can find both of the milks on Publix or Walmart. You can also try Amazon. I'm sure that they'll have it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please remember to like it and share it with your friends. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys.